Hello and welcome to another Quattro Tech Cars video. Today we have this Daytona Grey 67 plate Audi Q5 S-Line. It's got the Quattro four-wheel drive like all Q5s and is powered by the 2-litre TDI 190 PS diesel engine driven by the S Tronic automatic gearbox. This car's got some really nice options from the factory, from new. It's also got really detailed service history. We've just replaced the cam belt and also we'll be replacing the front two tyres as well. Okay, so here we are round out the boot of the Q5. Really nice practical load areas these. We've got two ISOFIX anchoring points on the rear seats. Nice ambient lighting. This car does have the extended LED interior light pack, so especially in the night, really well lit on the interior. Makes it feel really classy. Just underneath the boot floor, we've got a tyre inflation kit, and that's actually the amp for the sound system as well. On the S-Line you get the electric tailgate as standard, which is a really handy feature, and then integrated into both the front and rear bumpers we've got Audi's Parking System Plus with the front and rear parking sensors which come up on the main screen. This new shape Q5 just looks so cool, especially with the design of the front and rear lights as well, all LED. This particular Q5 also has the uprated AdBlue tank, so 24 litres instead of 12, which means that you'll have to fill up the AdBlue tank far less frequently. AdBlue, basically, if you don't know, it's in a huge amount of diesel engines these days to reduce the overall emissions. It's like an ammonia solution, and that's all counted down on the dash, and it gives you a warning when it gets low, but it's something that you know, it's thousands of miles before you have to refill the tank, especially with this one. We've got the really nice Alcantara leather interior. So Alcantara on the main parts of the seats with the leather on the bolsters, so they're nice and supple but also hard wearing as well. We've got 3-zone climate control in the back there with a 12-volt power socket as well. The S-Lines just look so nice inside. You've got that lovely black headlining as well. Moving round to the front, we've got electrically folding mirrors, which are an option from the factory, which is nice to have, especially the car of this size. And if we look down here, we've actually also got the Bang & Olufsen uprated sound system. Now, this is such a cool feature. These sound systems are just so good. They're so clear and have so much depth to them, and a huge amount of power as well. So that comes with the Comfort and Sound Pack, which has a number of other things, which we'll go through just a bit later on. But with that, you also get the electrically adjustable front seat with electric lumbar support. Again, half leather, half Alcantara, in really nice condition as well. No rips, tears, stains, or any odours. We've got automatic LED headlights with LED daytime running lights with the front and rear fog lights there as well. We've also got this really nice multifunctional flat bottom steering wheel. And one of the main features of this car, which make it so nice, is the fact that you have the technology pack. So you've got the larger main screen, and you also have the colour driver information system as well. So you can see the navigation on there, you can change the view as well, and then scroll through the various options on there. So you can see a lot of information whilst you're driving really easily, especially being that colour in the high resolution makes a big difference. We've got cruise control as well. And then moving over to the screen, look more into that. So we've got the navigation as standard. That's on the hard drive with the technology pack. So the screen is a high resolution, and everything works a bit faster than the SD based system. You can connect your phone wirelessly via Bluetooth to make and receive calls for the telephone. There's a number of different media outlets, including aux, Bluetooth as well, USB, SD, and CD. And then with the radio, we've got DAB, FM, and AM that you can enjoy. Again, sounds really good with the Bang & Olufsen. And one thing that's really great is that you can connect your smartphone, either your Android or Apple device, via the smartphone interface, and that gives you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So it mirrors your iOS up onto the main screen here when you plug it in via the USB. And you can take advantage of things like Google Maps, Apple Maps, Siri, Hey Google. It's also got WhatsApp and a number of other music apps like Spotify that you can take advantage of as well, which are all allowed with the system. So that really changes the enjoyment and how up-to-date everything feels, because it actually updates with your phone, and so it also means it's very easy to use because you're used to your phone as well. So everything that controls the main screen, with the technology pack, you get this really nice touchpad as well. So for example, you can use that to write out a postcode in the navigation, or to type out a number that you want to call, and generally navigate the multimedia interface with ease. We've got front and rear parking sensors as well, part of the comfort and sound pack, as we mentioned earlier, which you can see on the screen there, with the obstacles being denoted in those white lines that turn to red when you get closer. You've also got the audible beeps there as well. We've got the Audi Drive Select, so we've got auto, dynamic, individual, off-road, efficiency and comfort. So these all change things, including how the car changes gear, the weight and feel of the steering, and the throttle response as well. Moving a bit further down, we've got the dual zone climate control in the front. We've also got heated front seats, which is a nice option from the factory. This car, again, as part of the comfort and sound, has keyless entry as well, which we nice to see. So you've got the start stop ignition button there. You can just have the keys in your pocket, let's say, or in the tray down here, or wherever you'd like to have them. We've got another 12-volt power socket. That's volume and track changer as well, which you also have on the steering wheel. And then the S Tronic gearbox with sport and manual mode, and you also have the electronic parking brake. A bit further back here, as part of the technology pack, you have wireless charging, which is really nice, and there you've got the USB and aux slots as well. Now this is quite cool because this actually comes back, and then you've got 2 cup holders there as well, so it all works really neatly. So you can be charging your phone, having it slid back under there, whilst you've got your drinks just in there. So it's a really tidy car. Again, you can see you've got the LED lighting just down in the corner there with the Bang & Olufsen on the speakers, and more interior lighting that you can set up with the car as well. We've got an auto dimming rear view mirror also. So a huge amount of features packed into this Q5. It looks really good in the Daytona grey. It's such a classy colour. And these S lines also ride really nicely on the standard 19-inch rims as well. So it's really comfortable, but also very controlled. All Quattro Tech cars come with 6-month warranty, including 6 months roadside assistance, an MOT upon arrival, and a comprehensive mechanical check. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with us so we can explain how we're currently facilitating safe, socially distanced, and contactless click and collect appointments. Thank you very much.